Hi everyone, so this is mainly a video for students at Bangor College. I just wanted to let you know about all the services that are available in the Friars building. That's the old looking building that's opposite the main college building. So basically in the Friars building they've got a coffee shop, a restaurant and a salon, and now all three are run by students, so if you go there you'll be served by students. So the chain of restaurants is currently taking bookings. The food is excellent and at an amazing price as well. The Salon, they offer a lot of different styling services and that's also at a reasonable price. And finally, the cafe, which is open. You can go there for lunch. It's open to everyone, students and staff. And again, great food and low prices. So if you want more information, then just search on Facebook for Salon Menai or Friars Restaurant Coleg Menai.